Hi friends, today let's solve questions related to data communications and computer networks in Telangana ECET ECE question paper. The first question, so which of the following cables is or used for voice and data communication? Generally, twisted pair cable is a type of cabling that is used for telephone communication and most of the Ethernet networks. So a pair of wires form a circuit that can transmit data, and the pairs are twisted to provide protection against crosstalk, which is an important feature, and the noise generated by the adjacent pairs. So if you see the answer, twisted pair is your answer. Next, which topology is used for large networks? So the extended star topology will be adding subcentral devices that will be connected to the central devices. So this type of topology has an advantage of large networks and provides functionality for an organization, and subnetting of IP address allocation is within this particular network. So star network is your answer. So packet switching uses which transmission path? So in packet switching, every packet will contain some information in its headers, such as source address, destination address, sequence number, etc. So the packets will travel across the network taking the shortest path as possible. So all the packets will be reassembled at the receiver in a correct order. So a permanent virtual circuit is a software defined logical connection in a network such as a frame relay network, and in frame relay network endpoints and stated bandwidth called committed information rate constitute a PVC, which is defined as a frame relay device. So here these both are answers. Next, in OSA model, which model provides services to the user? So the application layer is the topmost layer of the protocol hierarchy, and it is this layer where the actual communication is initiated, and it uses the services of the transport layer, network layer, data link layer, and physical layer to transfer the data to the remote host. So the answer is your application layer. Next, which modulation scheme is used in Bluetooth? So in Bluetooth technology, which uses a special binary frequency shift keying modulation scheme called Gaussian frequency shift keying is used, and it is a binary modulation scheme because each symbol will be representing one bit with a value either 0 or 1. So the answer is Gaussian frequency shift keying. Next, in packet transmission, the transmission delay is, so delay packets in transmission delay are given by the formula L by R, where R is the link bandwidth and L is the packet length. So this is the time taken to send the bits into the link, whereas the propagation delay is given by D by S. So if you observe this, so the formula is packet length by the transmission rate will be your time to send the bits into the link, and it is given by the formula L by R. So D by S is the propagation delay, where D is the length of the physical link and S is the propagation speed. Next, TCP IP is related to, so basically NORSAR and University College of London left the ARPA net project and began using TCP IP over SATNet in 1992, and after the Department of Defense made TCP/IP a standard military computer network, so TCP/IP protocol became the standard for ARPANET. So this has replaced the earlier network control program. So next, in file transfer protocol, a user needs an account and password on a remote server to access it. So generally in file transfer protocol, so the user or the host will be interacting with the FTP user interface and the FTP client, which is in the local file system. So the file transfer will be happening from the FTP server at a remote file system, and this is done through the remote server. So next, a message digest is which type of message digest is available in MDC. So basically MDC is message detection code, and this is a message digest that can prove the integrity of the message and that the message cannot be changed. So the digest functions are designed to provide security to the remote data, and the inability of the owner not to physically manage the remote data triggers many concerns in the domain security. So basically hash function provides a comprehensive solution for this particular problem. So next, which layer is a proxy firewall filters the incoming traffic? Generally, application layer has proxy firewalls which operate in this particular layer to filter the incoming traffic between network and the traffic source. Hence, it is also called application gateway level gateway, and these firewalls are delivered by cloud-based solutions or proxy devices. The answer is application layer. So with this, the questions related to data communications and computer networks are completed in 2020.